with the vast land and being nourished by the mother river of the winding Huangshi River. Huangshi, a famous city with beautiful landscape, shines like a bright and dazzling luminous pearl. There is a marvelous place with rich resource and outstanding people. Huangshi Donper Mech-Electrical Group Company Limited, the largest manufacturer of refrigeration compressor and commercial refrigerating equipment in China, which was born and has been kept developing on the fertile land. Founded in 1966, Donper Group, with its development for almost half a century, has already achieved the change from a street-based small factory into a modern enterprise group which is engaging in researching, developing and producing the refrigeration compressor, various castings, commercial refrigerating equipment and solar products, as well as the ecological agriculture, real estate and other industries. The annual output value has been grown into 4.3 billion RMB in 2011 from 0.245 billion RMB in 1996, which rose by 17.5 times. The export trade is from having few to having many. In 2011, export sales had been achieved $102.35 million. Donper brand refrigerator compressor has been ranked top 1 for the consecutive 7 years in domestic China sales and entering top 3 in the world for compressor production and sales. Being headquartered in Tiantian Industrial Park, Huangshi, Hubei, Donper Group established 4 production bases in the state-level development zones, such as Huangjin Mountain of Huangshi, Luoqiao of Deya, and Wuhu of Anhui. Now there are over 10,000 employees and the total assets of 3 billion RMB in Donper. Currently, Donper has 5 holding subsidiary companies, i.e. Huangshi Donper Electric Appliance Company Limited, Wuhu Avar Mechanical and Electrical Company Limited, Huangshi Donper Casting Company Limited, Huangshi Donper Refrigeration Company Limited, Huangshi Donper Mech-Electrical Group Solar Energy Company Limited, and Hubei Jinling Exquisite Agriculture and Forestry Company Limited, and Huangshi Aibo Real Estate Company Limited, which are invested and established by the holding subsidiary companies. As one of the core enterprises of Donper Group, Huangshi Donper Electrical Appliance Company Limited is situated in Huangjin Mountain National Economic Development Zone of Huangshi. It is a B-share listed company and a national key high new tech enterprise specializing in researching, developing, and producing the refrigeration compressor of high efficiency, energy saving, and environmental protection. As a result, it becomes the largest enterprise on kind, type, and power range in domestic compressor industry, and a unique company for mass producing the compressor with high added value and high back pressure. As a subsidiary company, Wuhu Avar Mechanical and Electrical Company Limited is established by Donper Group with the investment almost 0.9 billion RMB, situated in Wuhu State-Level Development Zone, Anhui Province, with 4 compressor assembly lines and parts finish machining producing lines and various inspection equipments and apparatus. Avar has the annual capacity of 10 million refrigerator compressors with high efficiency, energy saving, and environmental protection, and it is one of the most important compressor production bases in China, which has already been granted as top 50 industrial companies in Wuhu, Level A taxpayer trustable unit, and national high new tech enterprise. Huangshi Donper Casting Company Limited is a professional casting company engaging in producing castings for compressors of refrigerator, freezer, and automotive castings, with 5 globally advanced high-speed vertical parting flaskless chute-squeeze molding lines and the electrosmelting plants imported from American Inductotherm, Caterpillar, and Xinyan, and other multiple international top-end production and inspection equipments. The company has the capacity of producing castings 80,000 tons annually. In 2010, it was recognized as AA level credit enterprise by China Foundry Association. Huangshi Donper Refrigeration Company Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary company of Donper Group and the largest commercial refrigerating appliance manufacturer with the most complete product range in China currently, and the complete set of production lines and technical software imported from Japan, America, and Italy. It has the capacity of producing 150,000 commercial refrigerating appliances annually. Huangshi Donper Mech-Electrical Group Solar Energy Company Limited is a national high-new tech enterprise engaging in researching, developing, producing, distributing, and installing the solar water heater, solar light, household small power station, solar heat collecting engineering, and urban road lighting engineering. With the relevant technologies and equipments imported from Germany, it has the capacity of producing 300,000 solar products annually. In order to exert the resource advantages of Donper Group, achieve the cross-industry development, and build the diversified industrial growth chain, it started to enter into the fields of ecological agriculture and real estate in 2010 and invested 50 million RMB to establish a modern egg hen farm which cultivates 300,000 egg hens simultaneously. With the first-class egg hen breeding equipments in domestic China, the farm can offer 120 million eggs and produce 10,000 tons organic compound fertilizers annually and achieve the annual income of 54 million RMB. Additionally, the farm has been established the microbial organic fertilizer plant and the forage plant as its supporting installations. Donper Group is dedicated to promoting the excellent performance and other management modes and improving the management awareness of the managerial staff at all levels. For this purpose, Donper establishes the multimedia video conference system and integrates with the existing network information platform to constitute the workshop production field monitoring system. Upon the PDCA cycling method, SPC control, TPM activity, and QC team activity, Donper strongly strengthens the quality management in the daily operation process. Meanwhile, Donper introduces the precision inspection equipments and apparatuses with the globally advanced level to follow product quality and improve the quality management system. Donper has passed the ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, ISO 14001 Environmental System Certification, Occupational Health and Safety and Management System Certification, ISO TS 16949 Automotive Quality System Certification, CCC Safety Certification, UL, VDE, BEAB, CE Certification, and ROHS Certification in succession. In recent years, Donper Group, upon the DFMEA, PFMEA, and other methods, and by focusing on the manufacturing cost control, has actively introduced the Advanced Computer Management System, as well as the integrated platform of the Enterprise Resourcing Platform, and the Operation Management Digitalization, to realize structure simplification, part standardization, and minimizing material using, whilst making products satisfy with the design requirement. The high-efficiency scientific management mode makes Donper achieve a new high level for its management, and thence it won the titles of National Advanced Enterprise Adopting Excellent Performance Mode in 2010 by China Quality Association, National Quality Work Advanced Unit by General Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection and Quarantine of China, Award Nomination of Chengjiang Quality Award of Hubei Province, and Special Award of First Mayor Quality Award of Huangshi City. The high-efficiency scientific management mode offers Donper Group a powerful support for its stable operation and continuous development. The people are the innovation base. By advocating the core view of value, to create wealth for the society, to make employees living and working in peace and contentment, Donper adheres to the people-oriented approach and ensures to offer every employee a carton of milk and a free lunch every day, offer every employee a paid leave every year, and establish the health file and a free medical examination for every employee. Moreover, Donper establishes the Serious Illness Aid Foundation for employees' children environment and the harmonious family for employees. The culture leads to the employee's sense of belongingness and the sense of mission for keen on innovation. In 2009, the group established Donper Institute of Professional Development to train management and technical talents. Moreover, Donper established cooperation with Xi'an Jiaotong University, Huazhong University of Science and Technology, Zhejiang University, and other universities and colleges in succession to tackle key problems by taking project as the carrier. Additionally, the group facilitates to the innovation system and incentive system construction, and the annual R&D input accounts for over 3% of the total sales income. Mr. Yang Baicheng, the chairman of Donper Group, is an engineering technical expert who enjoys the special government allowance of the State Council of China and a national outstanding scientific and technological worker. He has successfully taken charge of many national key projects for new product R&D and won many national level, provincial level, and ministerial level prizes for progress in science and technology. As the first investor, he owns 51 national patents. For years, the R&D team of Donper, under the leadership of Mr. Young, has achieved innumerable great achievements, where the compressor has been grown into 12 series and over 200 compressor types currently from 1 series and 4 types at the beginning, including R134A, R600A, R22 and R152A, R22, R404A, and R290, and other high, medium, and low back pressure compressors of the ordinary and high efficiency types, among which the vehicle-mounted compressor filled up the domestic gap. For the L-series compressor of the company, the COP value, volume, weight, and noise, and other parameters are far better than the national standard and achieve the international leading level. The L-Series compressor won the first prize of the National Light Industry for Progress in Science and Technology in 2008 and the second prize for Progress in National Science and Technology in 2009. Donper is the sole enterprise enjoying the prize among the same trade of China currently. Donper brand compressor was awarded the title of Famous Brand Product of China in 2003 and 2006, respectively. Donper was recognized as the brand with the mostly market competitiveness by the Ministry of Commerce of China in 2007, and Donper was recognized as the well-known trademark of China by the State Administration for Industry and Commerce of China in 2009. The other industries of group are flourishing too. The casting industry covers the automotive castings from the compressor castings. The refrigerating appliance, growing from the cold drink machine, covers 9 series and almost 100 types of cold and hot drinking machine, ice cream dispenser, ice maker, slush machine, instant cooker, ice frying machine, draft beer machine, showcase, and kitchen refrigerator, etc. The solar product covers 15 series and 87 types. Moreover, Donper developed the solar photovoltaic products of 9 series and 73 types, where the stainless pressure-bearing water tanks of 6 series and 71 types filled up the industrial gap. Donper has established the State-Level Enterprise Technical Center, State-Level Postdoctoral Workstation, State-Level Academician Workstation, European R&D Center, and other high-end research development platforms to offer dynamic force for its scientific innovation. In recent years, Donper has undertaken 66 scientific and technological projects at the national, provincial, and municipal level, won 17 awards and prizes at the national, provincial, and municipal level for progress in science and technology, won 162 national patents. Additionally, Donper participated in drafting 4 national and industrial standards, won 6 national key and new products, and undertook 2 projects under the National Torch Program. As the largest refrigeration compressor manufacturer in China, Donper Group, with the mission of to provide the first-class compressor to the refrigerator and freezer manufacturers in the world, established the office in Turkey and R&D center in Italy, and signed the strategic cooperative agreement with the well-known manufacturers at home and abroad, and has become the Level A compressor supplier of Haier, Hisense, Kellon, Midea, Shinfei, Meiling, Whirlpool, Electrolux, Samsung, Sharp, Brandt, Vestel, Videocon, and other internationally well-known enterprises. Meanwhile, Donper's products have been exported to over 30 countries and regions in Asia, Europe, and America, etc. Donper has become the casting supplier of Bosch Automotive Products Company Limited and Wuhan Wangxiang Automobile Arrestor Company Limited and other companies, among which the clutch and brake have been massively adopted by Dongfeng Light Truck, Citroën Fukong, and other brand name automobile manufacturers. The refrigerating appliances and the solar products have been sold to USA, Canada, England, Spain, France, Italy, Middle East, Australia, and other countries and regions. Seagull flies over the vast sea, and sail moves in the wind. Looking back, Donper people were full of heroic passion. Looking for the future, Donper people are full of strong willing. Facing the new opportunity and challenge, Donper people shall advance with the times, pioneer to innovate, deepen internal operation management reform, expedite global market development step, and stride proudly ahead and advance triumphantly in the direction of industrialization, globalization, internationalization, and diversification, and create more wonderful future of Donper with continuous efforts and passions.